Hello everyone, welcome you all to the second part of a second chapter mathematics class 5th, that is shapes and angles. Correct students? Do you remember? We have already learned in the part 1 that different types of shapes, correct, that Rohini and Mohini made some shape with the help of masticks that we learn. With that we have learned about the number of how many sides are there, the shape was closed or open, correct. After that we learn about some angles, correct, angles, that is some angles having the measurement of 90 degree, that is called as right angle. Then more than 90 degree acute angle, less than 90 degree acute angle, more than 90 degree obtuse angle. These different types of angles also we have already learned, correct. After that we solve one puzzle by using matchstick, correct students. Next we use one instrument, geometrical instrument, that is called as a divider. We also made one divider by using a strips of cardboard sheet. What is the use of the divider? Divider is used to measure the angles, correct students. So we will start our topic. After that, after making a tester, that angle tester, we also measure the different angles around us, correct. Then we solve some pictures, we measure the angles of some picture, which picture is having right angle, who is having more than right angle, who is having less than right angle, correct. This we already solved in previous lecture. So today, in the today's class, again we have some activities, we have to do some activities, okay. So let's start our session, today's session. Students, you can see one picture over here, correct. One picture, in that we can see some horses, some peoples, correct. So Sukhman made this picture with so many angles. Here we can see so many angles. So the students, here you have to do one activity, one task for you, that is use a color pencil. Here you have to use a color pencil and you have to mark some angles. First angle that you have to mark, that is a right angle, and you have to mark the right angle with the black color, correct. Next you have to mark the angles which are more than right angle with the green color, and the angle which are less than right angle with blue color. So student, you have to do this task at home, okay. I will show some angles with the color pencil, like that you also search all the angles. I will show you few, okay. All remaining all angles you have to search and you have to mark with your pencil in the book, correct. So we'll start. First we will mark a right angle with a black color, okay students. So we'll take first black color, okay, and this black color we have to mark right angle. So can you tell me where is right angle? Right angle, just search student, just see where is right angle. Yes, correct. If we see the foot of that people, okay, it shows a right angle, correct student. As well as the angle between these fingers, correct, it also shows right angle. Right angle means how? Right angle means, yes, 90 degree, correct. Right angle, before that also we have already seen right angle means how. You can see, I will show you. this one is right angle. Correct, students? So like this angle where you can see right angle, yes, one more here is also you can see right angle. Like that you have to mark the right angle with the black color. Okay, clear? Then we have to mark the angle which are more than right angle. How more than right angle means? Supposed to be, okay, this is right angle of 90 degree. More than means it will look like this. This angle, okay, this is more than right angle. So this angle, like this angle we have to show with the green color. Can you show me the angle more than right angle? Yes, correct. If we see here, we will select first green color. If you see over here this angle, that it shows more than 90 degree. Correct? One more angle. Can you see where is green more than 90 colors? Here, yes. Here also we can see the angle between these two is more than 90 degree, more than right angle. Like that you just search all the angles and tick with green color. Then our next color is blue. Use a blue color pencil and shows the angle which are less than right angle. Less than right angle, where is less than? Here. If you see over here, yes, it shows less than right angle. Less than right angle means how? I will show you again here. Supposed to be like this. This angle is less than 90 degree. Correct? If you want, you can draw in your notebook. It shows, this angle shows less than right angle. This angle shows less than right angle. Correct? Then, and this shows, this angle shows more than right angle. Students, if you want, you can draw in your notebook also. I will give you 2 minutes. Okay. This angle shows right angle. Okay. So it shows right angle. This we already learned. Still we will revise for 2 minutes. Then this angle shows more than right angle and it shows less than right angle. Okay, student. So now we will find out the angle which are angles which are less than right angle with the blue color. Like here we have seen. Then again less than 90 degree. Here also. Correct? Right, students? Again here also we can see. Then here. Okay? It's all angle shows less than 90 degree. Okay, student? Understand how to show the angles? You search all the angles which are right angle, or the angles which are less than right angle, or the angles and the angles which are more than right angle. You just tick by using a different color pencil, that is black, green and blue. Okay. So come to our next point. Next, another task we have, that draw anything of your choice. Draw anything of your choice around the angle shows. Also write what kind of angle it is. The first one is done. Now here they are giving some pictures, okay, of angles. By using angle you can draw any shape. Like here, what angle it is? Yes, this angle is less than 90 degree. Correct. If we see over here, this angle shows less than 90 degree, and by using angles they made one picture of crocodile. So by using these different types of angles, here this angle is of accurate right angle, correct? It shows what? Yes, you all have to know, you all have to write the name of angle. Like here, this is more than 90 degree, correct? So you have to write the names of angle, okay, what kind of angle it is you have to write, and as well as you have to draw some pictures, okay. I will show you once. Suppose I will take this, okay student, over here only. What kind of angle it is? Yes student, correct, it is more than 90 degree. So I will draw here one angle which is more than 90 degree, like this supposed to be, correct student? Like this only angle you have in your book, okay. So by using this angle I will use to draw one picture of, I will draw, you just tell me the name. Okay, I hope you understand what kind of picture it is, correct? Yes, you are using it, staircase, correct? So what kind of angle it is? It is a more than 90 degree, it shows more than right angle, and by using that angle I will draw one picture. Like that you can draw, okay student, like that you can draw a different types of pictures. Here this angle shows, you can draw here one scissor, correct? Here is one circle, you can draw better than me, okay. So you just draw all the, like your choice, around the angles draw one picture, and below that write down the name of angle. Clear? So come to the next point. Again I hope you all are enjoying this chapter, because in this chapter we have so many activities, correct? Again your time is started. Here also we have to do one activity, simple activity it is. I hope you all enjoy this activity, because it is so simple and you like it, I know. So the first point, first what we have to do? Yes, take a square sheet of paper like this. Take one square sheet of paper. After that just fold it into half. Just fold into half. Again fold it once more and press it. One more time you have to fold it, press it. Then open the last fold so that the sheet is folded in half. Open the last fold, means here you have to unfold that last one, that is you will got in half. Then take one corner, take any one corner and fold it to meet the dotted line. Suppose to be you are taking this corner, okay. Just take this one corner and fold it here, okay. Fold it to meet the dotted line. You will got like this. On the paper you will find the lines making a right angle, correct? On the paper here you will find the lines making right angle like this, correct students? Here right angle. An angle is less than right angle, if you see over here, correct? An angle supposed to be got like this, this is right angle. Okay, then this angle which is less than right angle, then and the angle more than right angle. If we see over here, correct, you will got one more angle that is more than right angle. Clear, student? After that, look for each of the angle and mark them with the different colors. Again you have to use the color pencil and just mark it which is your right angle, which angle shows less than right angle and which angle show more than right angle. Okay, student? So this is simple activity that you have to done. Again one more activity, but here you have to use your body. Okay, your body, your hands, your legs, your finger, your arm, this all body part you have to use to make a different angle. Let's start. Can you make these angles? Students, can you make this angle? Yes, very good. First angle you have to show me that a right angle with your hand. Can you show me the student a right angle? You can see over here. Correct? Right angle with your hand. Good. Then next, an angle less than right angle with your legs. Angle less than right angle with your legs. Then an angle more than right angle with your arm. With the help of arm, here you have to make one angle which is more than right angle. Okay, student? And then an angle more than right angle with your body. Here you have to use your body, and here you have to make one angle which is more than right angle. Okay, so try to do this activity at your home. Try them out, it's fun. And after that, draw them in your notebook using a stick drawing like this. They shows about right angle, less than right angle, more than right angle with your body. Like that, you also have to do this activity for fun at home, and after that draw the picture in your notebook. Clear, student? Up to all these points are clear, different types of angles, activity. Okay, now come to the next point. Our next point is angle garden. Okay, angles are everywhere. In the first part only, we are using one geometrical instrument. What it called? Yes, divider. We made a divider, and by using this divider, we go through around all the area, and after that we measure, go around in all, and we test it, we measure the different angles. Like that, here also we have to go in a garden which is angle garden. Let's start. My angle dance shows the way. Someone is there who said, my angle dance show the way. Can you guess, student? Who is she? Who is it? Yes, you can see over picture. Who am I? Yes, I am B. Let's start. When I see flowers for making honey. When I see flowers for making honey, I went to tell other bees. I went to tell. I want to make here honey, na? So I went to call or to tell other bee. To show them in the way, I start dancing. I dance shows the angle between the sun and flowers. I dance to show the angle between sun and the flower. So what angle, what type of angle it is? From sun to flowers. What type of angle it is? Correct. Okay. So this angle shows us, if we see, less than 90 degree. Okay student, now again you have to do one activity, simple activity. Collect some leaves from the garden. Everywhere we can see a different type of leaves. From that you have to collect few. Color each leaf and print it. You have to color. First collect some leaves, then color it and print it. Look at the angle, print it in your notebook. Okay student? Then look at the angles on the leaves. Which of them are more or less than right angle? First you have to collect all the leaves. Okay, some few leaves you have to collect. Then color it. After coloring, just print it in your notebook and just see which of them are less than 90 degree and which of them are more than 90 degree. You have to just see the angles between the leaf. Okay, and you have to find out which are more than right angle or less than right angle. Now we can see one picture over here. Correct? Hey, look at the bird. Its beak has an angle. If we see a bird, okay, what the girl say? Hey, look at the bird. Its beak. Correct? If we see over here, I will show you. Wait a minute, students. I will show you with the green, yes, green color. If you see, its beak has an angle. So which angle it is? Very good, less than right angle. Correct students? Then next one, I am a woodpecker. My beak is sharp because it has to cut the wood. Again, if we see, if we observe its beak, again it shows some angles. Correct? Here also we can see some angles. Here also we can see some angles. Here if we see its beak, it shows and different kinds of angle. Correct students? Yes. So in the pictures also we have to find out the angles. Then look for the bird which have a beak with small angles. Look for the birds. You have to look all the birds and tell me which have a beak with small angles. Small angles. Those who not open their beak. Correct? These are having small angles. Then come to the next question. In the picture, mark angles between the two branches. Which two branches have the biggest angle? Just tell me, just look over the branches of the tree, and if we can see, these branches also made an angle. So student, you have to tell which one, okay, which one will make bigger angle, biggest angle. Which two branches make biggest angle? If we observe carefully here, they make a biggest angle. Correct? Here one is a small one, means less than 90 degree. Correct? So what is the question? If we see the picture carefully, just you have to tell which two branches have the biggest angle. Okay, like that we will find out the different types of angles. Acute angle or less than 90 degree, greater than 90 degree. Like that, here we search the different types of angles in the garden, between the flowers and the sun, the dancing bees, then branches, then birds. With that, in the next topic, we have to find out the angles in the names. Okay student, in the next topic, we have to find out the angles in name. So let's start. What name it is? You know, there are angles in the letter of our names too. Like we have to find out the angles in name also. Here we are giving one name, that is Sukhaman. Okay, Sukhaman. If we see over here, they already show the different types of angles. Here also we have, here also in each and every letter we have, or there are angles. Okay, in this picture, in my name there are 11 right angles and 10 angles which are less than right angle. If we see, I will show you right angle, one right angle over here, another is here, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, correct? And less than 90 degree, less than right angle, here is 1, 2, correct students, 3, 4, here is less than right angle. So in the Sukhaman name there are 11 right angle, what they say, 11 right angle and 10 angles that is less than right angle. So student, you just try to take your name, okay, and find out the different types of angles, right angle, less than right angle or more than right angle. So can you do it? Okay, I also want to give some names. Okay, I will put here. The first name is Rohini. Rohini. So in that name you have to find out number of right angles, then number of angles that is more than right angle, and then lastly less than right angle. Okay, the second name is Mohini and the last name is, take your name. Okay, I will mention here Sita. You can write your name. Okay students, and from that, from your name, all these names, you have to just find out the number of right angles, more than right angle and less than right angle. So can you do it students? Yes, I know you can do it. Then come to the next point. Again we have one activity, easy for us. What is the activity? Put 10 math magic books on the top of each other. Then keep one book slanting to make a slide. What you have to do? Here you have to put 10 books, 10 math magic books, and you have to keep one book slanting to make a slide. Here you have to make a slide. Okay, this one activity is over. Like this, now again you have to do the activity same, but here you have to take 6 books. Supposed to be first you have to take 10 books and one book, one is slanting over here. Okay, slanting book. And in the second one you have to put 6 books and same, keep one book slanting to make slide. Okay, now the question, roll a ball from the top, then which slide does the ball roll down faster? Okay, now what you have to do, this with the 10 books and this one with 6 books. Now you have to put a ball from, you have to roll a ball from the top, from the here we will take color, orange color ball supposed to be here. You have to just roll a ball, okay, from the top, from 10 books, and again from 6 books. Then tell me, from which slide does the ball roll down faster? Can you tell me, students? From which side does the roll down faster, 10 or 6? Yes, obviously 10. Why? Because the length, height of this slide is bigger. Correct? So roll down faster from that 10 math magic books. The next question, which side has a smaller angle? If we can see the angles from 10 books, we'll use a different color, the angles from 10 books and from the 6 book. Correct, students? You can see which side has a smaller angle, 10 or 6? Correct. 6 book has smaller angle. Right, student? Okay. Like this, again we have some questions. Students, if you see this picture, imagine this is of 6 books and this one of 6 books, 10 books. Just imagine, okay? These two slides in a park. Which slide has a larger angle? Can you tell me, the students? Which slide has the larger angle? Like we have already seen. Yes. Which one has larger angle? If we see over here, the right hand side. Correct? The slide which is on the right hand side, it shows the larger angle. Okay, student? Then the next question, which slide do you think is safe for the little boy? Which slide do you think is safer for the little boy? Left one or right one? Safe for little boy, small boy? Yes, left one. Very good. Why? Why left one? Because of its smaller angle. If we see, this left one shows the smaller angle and this right one shows bigger angle. So the smaller angle for the little boy, this slide is a safer. Understood, students? So it's time to stop our session. Hope you understand all the points that I cover over here. Okay, student? Till remaining part we will see in the next session, that one last one session, that is part 3. Okay, till that, take care. Bye bye, students.